What up, Winbush here, and today I want to show you guys how inside of Cinema 4D, how we can set up UVs using projection mapping so that we can use it inside of game engines like Unity, or in my case, Unreal Engine. So to get started off, I'm in the latest version of Cinema 4D, and you can see I have this cardboard cutout. So if I drag over my image that I'm actually building this out for, you can see that I'm working with the Method Man comic book. We have Method Man here as the superhero, and I'm just going to bring this into 3D just as a cardboard cutout. And so to get started, I have this already set up here. And if I drag my material here onto this, you can see everything looks all messed up. And if I come down to projection, come down here to UV mapping, it doesn't work at all. Even if I come over here to flat, you can see that it's all messed up. Now, the easy way to set this up is if I come over here to my material that's on my mesh right here, if I right click on the material and then come down here to fit the object, now everything lines up. But if we would bring this into like Unity or Unreal Engine, it's not going to work correctly because our projection needs to say UV mapping. So in order to fix this projection down here, if I come back over here to my material and I right click and I come down here to where it says generate UVW coordinates, left click on this, and now we have a UV map right here. And if I click back on my material, you can see that projection says UVW mapping, which is exactly what we need to send out the game engines. So even if I come over here to my UV grid, put this on here, you can see everything is lined up as it should be. So I'm going to come back over here, put my texture there. I'm going to delete this, and I'm just going to export this out as an FBX and bring this into Unreal Engine. Now I imported my FBX in the Unreal Engine here, and you can see right here I have the static mesh, and when I bring it in, everything is properly aligned. So if I look over here, you can see that everything as it should be, and it's not all messed up because we have all of our UV set up properly in Cinema 4D. Now I'm currently working on this Fortnite level for Method Man right now, and this is a trick that I currently just came across, and so I thought it'd be cool to share it with you guys out there in case anybody else runs into it. So as always, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.